How to create a PIN for a Milestone Credit Card. Let's get started. The first method to create a PIN for your Milestone Credit Card is by contacting your customer service. You can call the Milestone customer service, inform the representative that you need to create or set up a PIN for your card. They will guide you through the process, which will likely involve verifying your identity. If you prefer not to call, you can also mail a letter to request a PIN. Write a formal request and include your account details, then send it to the address 4477 BUN. Make sure to include a formal request to set up your PIN. Another convenient option is to set up your PIN online. Simply head over to Milestone Gold Card website and log into your account. Look for the option to set up your card's PIN under the account settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your PIN. You may need to enter and confirm the PIN that you choose. Here are some tips for choosing a secure PIN. Avoid simple sequences like 1, 2, 3, 4 or 0, 0, 0, 0 and avoid using significant dates or repeated numbers. Choose a PIN that you can easily remember but is not easy for others to guess. So this way you can easily create a PIN for a Milestone Credit Card. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.